A new day and a new leak for the S23 Ultra. According to this new leak, Samsung has partnered with more social media apps. Also, we have some more confirmation for the S23 Ultra design. But before going into the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. Now guys, just like the last year S22 Ultra, which has been partnered with the Snapchat to give you exclusive filters and features right in the camera app, well, this year Samsung has increased their social media app partnership and they have included two new applications, which is going to be Instagram and TikTok. Now this leak has been coming from Ahmed, who has been sharing the S23 series leaks from past 2 weeks. Now, according to him, this new collaboration enhance the camera inside of these applications and you will get more filters even in your camera app. And also, if you downloaded any of their content on your device, then the quality will not be decreased and it will be more better as compared to the previous generations or other Android devices. So definitely this is going to be a good partnership, and I believe this was happened just because of the new One UI 5.1, which is based on Android 13. So definitely having these new features in the One UI 5.1 is going to be impressive. Maybe in the future we can expect to have some more social media apps to be included inside. Now moving forward, as per the leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S23 Ultra only going to come with a slightly curved display but not completely flat. This time, S23 shared a new image of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and keep in this mind, this image of the S23 Ultra is face down instead of facing up. As from this image, a couple of things are confirmed. First, the S23 Ultra will be going to be coming with a square of edges, where the S22 Ultra was coming with a rounded edges. Also, the S23 Ultra will have a slightly curved display as middle frame is connected to the glass. Mainly, this is how the glass of S23 Ultra will look like from the bottom. Now, getting this kind of design will make the S23 Ultra a little bit thicker than the previous generation. Both sides of the peoples who love the curved display or the flat display will be happy with this new design, because this design is going to be coming with both the curved and the flat display, and also the durability is going to be enhanced using that particular design. Now, talking about the durability, Samsung is also going to be giving you a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front of the device and also with the camera glass, which is definitely going to improve the durability, and it can hold a drop on the harder surface quite better as compared to previous generation, and even the scratch resistance is going to be much improved. Now, yesterday leak has confirmed that the S23 Ultra will be coming with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which can go up to 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rate. Now, one of the advantage of the S23 series is going to be coming with a base storage of 256GB, which is going to be pretty good than the last year storage and app option, because we now have UFS 4.0 and LPDDR5X, which are going to be both faster and more power efficient. And talking about the power efficiency, the 5000 mAh battery is coming for the S23 Ultra with a 45 watt of fast charging. And also we are getting the new special variant for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will enhance the performance of the device better than any Android devices which will be using the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, it's also coming with the satellite connectivity features. We also have a 200 megapixel sensor, which is going to be improved and coming with an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. So definitely overall, the S23 Ultra is packing some incredible hardware and software which will compete against the like of Apple devices. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe for daily tech video. Peace.